Hey guys, welcome back to the Shay and Trav show. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I wash my baby's hair. So this video is for all the moms who are scared to try products on their baby's hair. Guess what? I did it for you. So let's get started. So first thing first, I start off by washing his hair. I used the Johnson's Ultra-Hydrating shampoo. I've never tried any other shampoos, so I really don't have much of a review for shampoos. And then as a conditioner, I used the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey conditioner. I'll list both of these products in the description box down below the video. So I start off just kind of rinsing his hair, making sure I get it wet. So here's the thing with his shampoo. So when he left the NICU, I was kind of nervous on what products he used because he had cradle cap, but I wanted to use a shampoo, so I started with Johnson's, and I have literally been using this shampoo for about 5 months. This bottle has lasted so long. In the beginning, I just used Dove, and I would wash his hair with Dove, but it was so dry using that Dove. It was the Dove body wash, and on the bottle it says bottle wash plus shampoo, so I was like, okay. But yeah, that totally dried his hair out. So now I use the Johnson's. I want to use Shea Moisture, so if anyone uses Shea Moisture, let me know. And let me know if it burns your baby's eyes, because that's my biggest concern with that. So anyways, I wash his hair, and then I usually rinse it off. And I usually do all this while he's taking a bath. Right now I just kind of have a little swimsuit on for him just because, you know, kind of trying to protect his modesty while he's in the tub. So yeah, I rinse this off, and he loves getting his hair washed. There is some conditioner that I'm going to put into his hair, and I've been using this conditioner for the same amount of time, for about maybe 4 months, because what I did first, I started with the shampoo. I started introducing a new shampoo, and I wanted to make sure it didn't break him out. And then I started to introduce the conditioner. And once I introduced the conditioner, I stopped with introducing new products during bath time. Put the conditioner in his hair, and I leave that in there for about 3 minutes while I bathe him. So right now we're just playing in the water just so the conditioner can sit. And I did bathe him, but I turned the camera off, you know. Of course. So now it's been about 3 minutes, and I'm just rinsing his hair. Look at him. He's so sleepy on this video. Bath time just makes him sleepy no matter what time it is. Hey, cute baby. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone's doing well, and some of you probably are getting off of the COVID-19 restrictions to some degree. Here in New Orleans, we're still on our stay-at-home order until at least the May 16th. So right now, I am finished washing his hair, and I add the multicultural curls. That's by Mrs. Jessie's Curls. I like this product, but the only thing is, okay, it defines his curls, but I feel like it's still not moisturizing for his hair. So I use another product to moisturize his hair. I didn't include it on the video, but I'll link it in the description that I used. So if any of you have any recommendations what I can use that to define his curls but also moisturize his hair, then let me know. But I do like this product, and I'm going to continue using it because it is a product that I've noticed has not broken his skin out or doesn't cause any bumps or buildup in his hair.
Here. Say hey for the camera. Show them that camera smile. Show them that beautiful camera smile. Show them that Hollywood smile. Yeah, give them that cuteness. Don't hold back. Give it to them, boy. Yeah, give it to them, man. Give it to them. That's right. You give them that cuteness. That's right. You show them, boy. You show them. That's right, daddy, man.
Yeah. Your hair looks good. Yeah, you agree? I think you look very handsome, and your wash day was a success. Clap with me. Yay!
Thanks for watching the video. I hope it helped. And if you guys have any product recommendations, don't forget to let me know. Also, let us know what new videos that you guys like to see. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Bye!